G'day. It's a bit of a dreary day on the farm today, so I thought what's better than a bit of retail therapy and a bit of unboxing to warm things up and cheer the day up a bit. Never done an unboxing before, so I thought let's have a bit of fun. So a week or so ago, one of the department stores around here in Brisbane was having their weekly sale on, and they were selling these Bialetti coffee machines, Moka Expresses. So I don't like the big coffee machines, the capsules do nothing for me. This is how I love my coffee. I do like a good coffee. So these are the machines for me. I've already got a few of these, but I've got the small ones that are 2-cup machines, and I've always wanted to get a bit bigger one because quite often I have to do the 2 machines at the one go. So when these came up, they were about half the price in the big retail stores, so I thought why not? I'm going to grab one of these and see how it goes. So, for the grand unboxing. Not actually sure what's in these machines, so let's have a look. Okay, so the first thing you get is a massive set of instructions, so don't need those. Let's get out the actual device. These are beautiful pieces of machinery, and I just love them. There you go. So as you can see, these are the rainbow range of the Bialetti machines, so they come in a few different colours, but hey, if you're going to have an piece of Italian machinery, it's got to be red, right? So it comes all pre-assembled. There's nothing to these machines, nothing to make your coffee with them. They're really simple. All you do is you unscrew all the pieces. Inside there's a little valve, there's a little press valve you can test. All you do is fill it up with warm water. Don't use cold water, warm water, heat it up first, put hot water out of the tap in here, fill it up to the little valve, then you put in the coffee holder, put that in, fill it up to the top, no tamping either, it's important, you don't tamp these. Once that's done, you screw your top on. I'm starting to sound like my mate Joe Antonio now. Screw the top on, nice and tight. Put it on the hot plate, put it on a medium heat, don't use a really hot heat, you don't want to get too much temperature through it, it bitters the coffee. So medium heat, I'll put it on 3 out of 6 on my stovetop, put them on, 5 minutes later you've got the most beautiful cup of coffee you'll ever have. So there it is, Bialetti 6-cup coffee machine. Just beautiful, can't wait to go and try it out. But wait, there's more, because I thought, you know, these are such a good purchase, I thought, maybe I'll buy another one. Again, they're rainbow colours, so I thought why not get a green one, you know, mix them up a bit. Because hey, again, you know, don't either. If you're going to buy something Italian, it's got to be green, it's got to be red. Look at that. Aren't they just beautiful? So I've got 2 of these machines now, add to my collection. I can't believe how nice they are, they're beautifully finished, great pieces of design. But the real catch, and this is why I actually did it, with these beautiful pieces of machinery, is once again, I don't know what your knowledge of, is it geography, whatever flagiology is called, but if you know what the Italian flag is, it kind of looks a bit like this. So that was my plan, all along with the rainbows. I thought, I'm going to buy a red one, I'm going to buy a green one. The only other colour they had on the sale was really light blue, which I didn't really like. How is that? How Italian is that? That's going to make my coffee taste even better. Thanks for listening, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Maybe I'll do a video on how to make the coffee. See you later.